Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be talking about the 5 best things about the Samsung Galaxy M40. Now the first most highlighting feature about this phone would be that Infinity O display. This is the first phone to come with a punch hole design under 20,000 rupees with a massive 6.3-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. It also has smaller bezels all around, giving it 91.8% screen to body ratio. Even though display is not AMOLED, it's still pretty good. It has a contrast ratio of 1200:1 and 480 nits of brightness. Besides the punch hole design, picture quality of this display is also pretty good, especially the sunlight legibility is pretty good. Now the next best thing about this phone would definitely be performance. This phone sports a Snapdragon 675 processor with Adreno 612 GPU with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's the same processor that we have seen in Samsung A70, Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Vivo V15 Pro. So in terms of performance, it is performing neck to neck with the best phones in this price segment. Now the next best thing about this phone would definitely be the cameras. Unlike most other phones in this price segment, this phone comes with a triple camera setup with a 32MP primary camera with f1.7 aperture, 8MP ultra wide angle camera with 123° field of view, and a 5MP camera for depth sensing. On the front, it has a 16MP camera with f2.0 aperture inside that punch hole design. These are some sample shots. Now the cameras on this phone are not the best in the price segment, but they're quite good considering other aspects of the phone. Now going on next, this phone also comes with a decently large 3500mAh battery and even supports fast charging and comes with a 15W power adapter inside the box. Most of the phones don't even support fast charging in this price segment, and even if they do, like the Redmi Note 7 Pro, they don't come with a fast charger inside the box. While with this phone, we get both of that. Now the final best thing about this phone would be the screen sound technology. Now this phone doesn't have a traditional earpiece, but instead they use something called screen sound technology, which vibrates the display to produce sound. So whenever you get a call or whenever you place your phone near your ear, display vibrates and produces sound. This is a new technology from Samsung, and this is the first time they've implemented it. So far in my usage, this feature is working very well. It's like a regular earpiece with the phone vibrating a bit. Now besides these 5 things, this phone also has some other good stuff, like we can record video in 4K resolution. It also has super slow motion feature, which is once again rare to see in this price segment. It even supports wideband L1 certification, so you can watch high definition videos on Netflix and Amazon Prime apps. It even has NFC, which is like a flagship feature we never see in this segment. And finally, it even comes with Dolby Atmos 360 surround sound. By the way, this phone doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. That's why Samsung even provided free earbuds with a Type-C cable inside the box. So guys, these are the top 5 best things about the Samsung Galaxy M40. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.